Sponge toffee is a sugar confection that is fun and easy to make at home, and it can be flavored in different ways. To make Ginger Snap Sponge Toffee, scale into a sauce pot 100 grams sugar with 25 grams of water to help melt the sugar. Then use a candy thermometer and cook until the sugar reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. This process only takes a few minutes, so scale and have ready 15 grams of blackstrap molasses, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a teaspoon or 3 grams of baking soda. As soon as the sugar reaches temperature, add the molasses and remove from the heat. Working very quickly, mix in the spices and the baking soda. The mixture will begin to bubble up, and you need to immediately dump it onto a sheet pan with a piece of parchment paper or a silicone mat on top, and let it cool. By adding a little baking soda to a flavored sugar, cook to the crack stage, a volatile chemical reaction takes place. The sugar rapidly expands with air bubbles being trapped as the sugar cools down quickly and hardens. When cool, the Ginger Snap Sponge Toffee is easy to break apart with your fingers into bite-sized light and airy pieces of candy that melt in your mouth. Stored in an airtight container away from the heat, the candy is good for a few weeks.